fourth solved problem before exercise B in de Moivre's theorem. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then prove that this is equal to 0. Since alpha and beta are the cube roots of unity, here alpha is taken as omega, beta is taken as omega square. That is, put omega and omega square in place of alpha and beta in LHS. So you get this step. Alpha is omega, beta is omega square. Alpha omega power 4, omega power 8, omega power minus 1 into omega power minus 2. Here it will be omega power 4, omega power 8, omega power minus 3. And it is omega cube into 1, it is omega cube into omega square. There are omega cubes in it. That is, omega power 8 can be written as omega power 6 into omega square. That is omega cube square into omega square. So you get 1 here, 1 square. You get 1. You get only omega square. Here it is 1 omega. Omega square, and it is what? 1 by omega cube, which is 1 by 1. That is 1. So the value of 1 plus omega square is 0. Dear Sweros, it is time to understand how I have written this step. Given equation is quadratic, but we are writing its roots are as cube roots. Why? What is said to be here? X cube is equal to 1. X is equal to how much? 1 power 1 by 3. So this 1 power 1 by 3 is read as cube root of unity. Okay. And now coming to the step. From this I can write it as x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If you write x cube minus 1 also in the same way, that is x cube minus 1 cube. How to write x cube minus 1 cube? 1 is 1 cube. This is in this form. X minus 1 into x square. A square means x square plus ab means x into 1 plus b square is 1 square is equal to 0. Follows. Next step. X minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now see, this portion is our equation, which is x square plus x plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1 has cube roots of unity. That is written in this step. That equation is having cube roots. Okay. Because it is with degree 3. It has cube roots. And then what are those cube roots here in the question? See, I did not complete it. I will explain you. We go further. We move further. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here what is a root? X is equal to 1. And for this, use quadratic formula method. In quadratic formula method, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now coming to our question, what is a, what is b, what is c? You can see all these here. A is 1, b is also 1, c is also 1. Put these values in it. See what happened. Tell. that is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Here it is not C1 by 2 into 1. Then minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 by 3. Next, minus 1 plus or minus root minus 3 by 3. Next, minus 1 plus or minus root 3I by 2. So what are the other roots? These are the two roots taken. One is alpha, the other one is beta. So they are what? One is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And what is the other one? Minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. So these are cube roots. What they are? They are 1, this one and this one. And this is treated as omega. This is what? Our omega. And this is omega square. So what are cube roots of unity? 1 omega omega square. Dear Sweros, in this roots of unity, its root is 1, of course. Its roots are alpha and beta here, omega and omega square. That is taken here in this first step. It has two roots. They are cube roots of unity. They are omega and omega square. Dear Sweros, please understand. Otherwise, you will get so many doubts. Be with clarity. Have pure vision. Try to understand each and every concept. Then it will be easier to you. Okay? Thank you.